Hey, hello everyone. So let's start again our series of SQL completed. It's been a while. Last we covered have covered section 1, 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4 on the first day, and on the second day we covered lesson 6, this one. Okay, yes. Last I remember we were doing this. We were able to understand it fully. Find the domestic and international sales for each movie. Find the domestic and international sales for each movie. First, we take these rows and copied them over this one, the main table, which was movies. Yeah, this we use the join statement that is inner join is on movies ID and then connected with it box office movies ID. Now these two shares the number of rows, and then we titled on take sales from box office. Okay. Okay, so join statement was used to combine rows from based on the relation between them. Yeah, think of it as putting together two different lists that share common information. For example, you might have customer number and another of their order. Simply to merge these two based on a single based on an ID which cover the things. Next we have outer join. We cover inner join for depending on how you want to analyze the data. Inner join was used last session might not be sufficient because the resulting table only contain data that belong in both of the tables. The resulting table only contain data that belong in both of the tables. That's true. Now, if the two tables have asymmetric data, which can easily happen when data is entered in different stages, then we would have to use a left join, right join, or full join. Okay, there are type of joins: left, right, and full. Instead of ensuring that data you need is not left out, we are selecting some column from the table using some join inner, left, right, full on a table and referring with an ID, the statement which is matched in both of them. It's an ID. There's some condition, there's some order, and we are limiting and offsetting it. Yes, now I have a better understanding of seeing this verbally. Okay, like the inner join, these three new joins have to specify which column to join that data on. And joining table A to table B. A left join simply include row from A regardless of whether a matching row found in B. Right, sir? Yeah, I guess we will understand it better. We search it through a image. Joins in SQL. Let's remember it was like this. Inner join contained some data of both, I guess, that y is and its and u. It was interception. Yeah, inner join is like an interception between the left and right table. And union full join is containing both left and right with the common element. Outer join is discarding the common thing and using the things which are either left or right. No, nothing common. Left will only see left, right join will only right. Okay, this is like I have read in my school days. Still better. Left outer join. That some employee ID and city. The employee. There are two tables which we are using left join. Is this one. Select employee name, comma city. Name, comma city. From employees. E. From employees. Left outer join. Address A on employee ID. E employee ID. Now they have both join having a common row. Match row is 1, 2. Change 1. Sure. Akshita. And I forgot to start the timer. Yes, they have a better inner join return records of matching values in both table. Left join return all records from left table and the match record from right table. Okay, it only shows us the match records and match record from the right table. Okay, but full join. Okay, full join return all records. Match either left or right. This is the primary purpose of SQL join. Create a new table from existing table. Delete to sort to combine. Yep. Enter the missing part in the join clause. Join. Left join. Okay, this will be simple. got on. I thought it was here. Uh, I wrote the same thing. Maybe I interchanged them. Okay, yeah, let's revise the inner join we studied right now. Just for words that have matching values. Start the table E, which is product ID one, having product name, and second one having category ID, it's price maybe, price table, using product ID and category ID, category of the categories, category ID, to product table, the categories table. They use category ID and product ID, category ID, yeah, category ID as a primary key. The primary key. Primary key. Hey, hello. Yeah, My microphone was not working. Now it's fixed. Okay, let's carry on. Let's simply just choose the product from product table, this one, and on products dot category ID dot category ID with category of categories ID. That's how this work, I guess. Common index. Left join, we return all the records from the left table and then match records from the right table. The result is row from the right side there is okay. In left join we are choosing table 2 or table 1 dot column name and table 2. The data with left join is called left outer join. That let's see example. We have a table name customer and orders, in which what we are doing, wanted to select all customers and any other order that might have. Select our customers, any order that they have. This is the left and this is right. From orders. For this order values. Orders. For that, I don't find any significant difference. Like the inner joins, these three new joins have to specify which column to join the data on while joining table A to B. A left join simply include the rows which are in A, regardless of whether a matching row is found in B. A right join is the same but reversed. Row B regardless of whether a match is found in A. Finally, a full join simply means that row from both tables are kept regardless of whether a match row exists in the table. While using any of these joins, you will likely to have to write a logic to deal with null, the result constant. Okay, yeah. If nothing will be there, then simply null will be written. If there is no common. Okay, I guess left or right. Okay, for exercise we have to find the list of all buildings that have employees. Building 1E, 1W, we have some capacity. We have the building, money, chef, employed, things. We have to add them all. Okay, I guess we from left or right join. Okay. If we remember, the left join was the data left. Right. In the right, I guess I get is some way round. Okay, last you remember left join. Taking the not go. With this data, Joseph. Only one E and two W have the, well, I guess it should return the buildings which only have buildings, I guess. Money for W. Money for and the capacity. Purely satisfies the Yeah, I tried everything and give enough time. Yeah, first found employees are there in the. Okay, don't have to go that deep. Just have to find the common element of distinct building from how it is still required to get the unique list of building from employees tables. Any building listed in that table must have. I guess something sometimes answer is just right in the front of our eyes. we keep list all the buildings and adjusting to by rows, including empty building and employees. Select distinct. B dot building name dot links as B. Now it's clear. Select distinct building name from a role. Building, buildings left. Yeah, I still have some doubts. Okay, so inner join can be specified in either the from or where. The join across can be specified from clause only